finally, the Bergmann Typhoon has just refused to inflate air. It stopped at, I guess, 20 psi. So I guess I need to take a break and cool it down, let it cool. So this tire inflator is not suitable for SUVs or tires of this size. Maybe for small cars, but a big no for SUVs, and tire sizes about, I guess, about 12, 13. So do not buy this product if you have after I got an SUV at home or with a tire size of this range. So it's already 8 minutes and the inflator has refused to inflate more air, so I'll have to take a break and let's see how much time it takes in total to inflate the tire fully.